In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hostinger's DNS zone editor. If you've been looking to manage your domain settings and optimize the way your website functions, this tutorial is just what you need. Let's dive right in and start from the beginning with accessing the DNS zone editor in Hostinger's interface. First, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account and make your way to the H panel. Once you're in, direct your attention to the Domains section and select Domain Portfolio. If your domain is connected through hosting instead, you might need to navigate through the Websites section. The goal here is to find the specific domain you're looking to edit. Once located, go ahead and click on Manage. You will notice a sidebar. Here, you'll select DNS/nameservers and then proceed to the DNS Records tab. This is where you'll be managing all the DNS settings. With the DNS Zone Editor open, adding a new DNS record is simple and straightforward. Click on the option to Add Record. Now you'll need to choose what type of record you wish to create. There are several types, including A, TNAME, MX, or TXT, among others. Make sure you know which one suits your needs best before proceeding. For the name or host field, if you're applying changes to the root domain, simply use the @ symbol. Alternatively, specify a subdomain label if that's your focus. The content or target field is where details like an IP address, a mail server, or any verification code are entered. As for the TTL, which stands for Time to Live, it's typically safest to leave this on its default setting, which is usually around 14,400 seconds. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields to your satisfaction, hit Add Record to confirm and save your new configuration. Now that you've added a new record, let's go over how to edit or delete any existing ones. Scroll through your list of current records, or simplify your search by filtering by name or type. When you find the record you'd like to modify, click on the pencil icon. This allows you to adjust any of the fields as needed. Make sure to click Update when you're finished with your changes. If you'd rather remove a record entirely, simply use the trash icon to delete it right away. Lastly, if you ever need to roll back your settings to a previous state, Hostinger provides an easy solution. Navigate to the DNS History tab. Here, you'll have the option to restore next to any date listed. Review this snapshot carefully, acknowledge the notice, and then proceed by clicking Restore DNS Zone. Keep in mind, changes made here could take up to 24 hours to fully propagate, so a little patience might be necessary. That wraps up today's tutorial on using the DNS Zone Editor on Hostinger. I hope this has made the process clear and manageable for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy hosting!